guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have a new subscription box for you. So SubApollo sent me a bunch of boxes. This is a sunglasses subscription box and it is seasonal, so you would get 4 boxes a year and it's only $15 a box and each box has 2 pairs of sunglasses. So I think that is a pretty awesome deal. I don't know about you, but I am always losing or breaking my sunglasses, plus I just like to switch them up seasonally. Plus it's fun to have somebody else pick out your sunglasses and maybe give you something that you would not have found anywhere else, or that you might not have picked out for yourself, but then you end up trying them on and you love them, you know, that sort of thing. And for only $15, that's an amazing deal. So they sent me 3 boxes and also gave me a 20% off promo code, which is REB20. So let me just show you the sunglasses they sent me. So when you sign up, you can say you want male or female or unisex sunglasses, and then it's like you get to pick one of 3 categories that's like, you know, more adventurous or more classic, but that's basically it. Other than that, they pick out the sunglasses for you. So, okay, box number 1. How cute are these? These are so fun. I absolutely love these. They feel like they feel a little bit tight on my head, but not too bad. I could probably wear these, but I think they're so super cute. I absolutely love the style. You know, I love me some funky sunglasses. So that's the first pair. And then these ones also super fun and funky and right up my alley, right? So cute. So that's box number 1. Let's see what's in box number 2. I love the little jellyfish on the box here. These boxes are super cute. Those are fun. What do you guys think? All right. Oh, and then we've got some classic aviator style. Oh, maybe not so classic. These are these bendy? What the heck? Oh, that's kind of cool. That's nice. You know, that they're not like gonna snap. Those are actually kind of cute. I like them. Wow, they're super, not like flimsy, just, you know, like, I don't know, they're kind of wobbly. And then box number 3. Ooh, I like these. Let's see, I'll try these ones first. Okay. I feel like I should have an Hermes scarf on or something. I don't know why. Those are cute though. And then these ones, which might be my favorite. Hang on. Oh yeah, there we go. What do you think? Aren't these fun? I absolutely love these. These are awesome. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box as well as my discount code for you. If you're into sunglasses, I think this would be an awesome box to have. These are super fun. I really love these. So let me know what you guys think. Which ones were your favorite? I think this is a great deal and super fun. So I'm a big fan of SubApollo. So thank you, SubApollo, for sending me these boxes so that I could share them with you guys. Don't forget to use my discount code if you do sign up. I don't get anything for it. It's just for you guys. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!